Using our 4-step restorative fertility framework is going to help you get to the root cause and shift it. So there's 4 steps. First, we want to reveal what is the physical and the energetic root cause. So let's just say it's PCOS. What is the driver of that? Is it high testosterone? Is it sugar imbalance? So a lot of times, some of the energetic distortions that can be underneath that is you are pushing so much in your masculine energy, not only in your fertility journey, but in life itself, right? A lot of women were type A, go-getters. We do all of these things to achieve and to succeed, and that can manifest as PCOS potentially. So we want to reveal what is the physical root cause and what is the energetic root cause underneath that. And we want to address both.